Bharat Forge bags 300 crore रुपए emergency defense orders, indigenous unmanned systems boost. Bharat Forge Limited has achieved an important milestone in India's defense modernization efforts by securing contracts worth approximately 300 crore rupees under the Emergency Procurement V framework. These contracts are aimed at meeting urgent operational requirements of the Indian Army, with end-use support for the Indian Navy as well. The orders cover a range of indigenous unmanned systems, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platforms, along with loitering munitions. These systems are designed to operate across varied terrains and mission profiles, addressing real-time operational needs faced by India's armed forces. Among the key platforms included in the contracts are Omega-1, Omega-9, Bayonet, and Cleaver. Each of these unmanned systems has been developed domestically, reflecting a growing shift toward Indian-designed and Indian-manufactured defense technologies aligned with national self-reliance goals. A significant moment for Bharat Forge came during the Army Day parade in Jaipur, where the Omega-1 platform was showcased on board an upgraded BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle. This public display served as a strong validation of the platform's operational relevance and readiness in front of India's defense leadership. Emergency procurement frameworks like EPVI are designed to fast-track induction of critical defense equipment. Winning such contracts highlights Bharat Forge's ability to deliver quickly while meeting stringent quality and reliability standards required for frontline deployment. Bharat Forge's defense portfolio has been steadily expanding, with a growing emphasis on unmanned and autonomous systems. These platforms increasingly integrate artificial intelligence, autonomous navigation, and data-driven decision-making to enhance endurance, precision, and survivability in complex operational environments. The company has been investing heavily in domestic design and manufacturing capabilities, allowing it to scale production rapidly when urgent requirements arise. This approach reduces dependence on imports and shortens delivery timelines for critical defense assets. From a strategic perspective, unmanned systems play a crucial role in modern warfare by reducing risk to personnel while expanding situational awareness and strike capability. Bharat Forge's focus on ISR and loitering munitions positions it well within this evolving defense landscape. The contracts also reinforce the broader Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, which aims to strengthen India's domestic defense industrial base. Indigenous development of unmanned platforms helps retain intellectual property within the country and builds long-term technological capabilities. For Bharat Forge, this win strengthens its standing as a credible defense manufacturing partner capable of supporting national security priorities. It also enhances the company's visibility within the defense ecosystem, potentially opening doors to future programs and export opportunities. Execution will be key, as emergency procurement contracts demand rapid delivery without compromising performance. Maintaining quality, meeting timelines, and ensuring operational reliability will be critical to sustaining confidence among defense stakeholders. Over the longer term, continued investment in autonomy, electronic warfare resistance, and scalable production will determine how effectively Bharat Forge can compete in the unmanned systems space, both domestically and internationally. Overall, the 300 crore rupee emergency procurement contracts mark a meaningful step for Bharat Forge's aerospace and defense ambitions. They underline the company's role in supporting India's armed forces with indigenous, future-ready unmanned technologies while advancing the country's self-reliance in critical defense capabilities.